Danger, Will Robinson. Danger.
Good Wednesday. Wow. This looks very yummy. It looks very yummy. I have no idea what to expect from this 1926 oatmeal. It's very simple. Onions, tomatoes. The original description is in the recipe. It called for 2 cloves. That's optional. When I was at the store, I looked at those tiny cloves, and they were like really expensive. I don't know, $7, $9 for little cloves. So we ixnayed the cloves. Also, straining. It said strain is optional. And if you strain, you add the seasoning at the end. And if you don't strain, you add the seasoning at the beginning. We have to try this. I have a little bit of green onion, just for color, you know. Get a little bit more color. Let's try it. All right. Wow. 1926 oatmeal soup. Here we go. Wow. It's really different. It's not salty and it's not sweet. We did put a half a teaspoon of both salt and sugar in there. It is oatmeal-y. I think those green onions might really help this. I like the texture a lot. Really nice texture. 3 cups of hot water. And this is very nice texture for half a cup of rolled oats. You know, I could totally see this as a meal. As a cost-effective meal. Let's put a little green onion. Let's put a little green onion. We'll do a test. See what it does to the flavor. Maybe some soy sauce. Just kidding. Oh, am I? Am I kidding? Here we go. Oh. Whoa. Oh, I really like it with the green onion. I should have cut more. Oh. I wonder what would happen if I added just a little bit more salt, because this is savory. Oatmeal soup is not a new thing. If you Google oatmeal soup, it's all over the place. But come on, it's from 1926. That's why we're here. The green onions really change it in a good way. But it really is in the middle of salty and sweet. Why am I picking up some heat? I swear I'm picking up some heat. I don't know why. 30 minutes. We cooked it 10 minutes without the oatmeal. And then we cooked it 30 minutes extra. And that really intrigued me. You know what? I'm glad I didn't strain it. I like seeing the onion. I like seeing the tomato. But straining it might be interesting. Why do I want to add soy sauce? I'm going to add a drop or two of soy sauce. Just on the edge here. Let's try it with the little drop of soy sauce right here. Here we go. Wow. Oh, I like that. Wow, I like that. Holy moly! I didn't take a picture. Damn it! Is it too late? Is it too late? Yeah, it's too late. Damn it! All right. Wow. I actually kind of love that. Very different. I love trying different things. Something I've never had. I've never experienced this before. Very simple. It said 2 cups of stewed tomatoes. We use those whole tomatoes, and I'm glad I got the seeds out. We got a lot of seeds out. Maybe there are a couple still in there. Hey, this was fun. It's pretty tasty. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Stop.